Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Frosty the Snowman. So let's get started. To draw this all-time favorite snowman, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw like a little oval. And now that we have our oval in, let's go ahead and draw his eyes. So I'm going to come about right here and draw another big oval. Bring up nice and high and bring it right back down. And same thing over here. Just get nice and close to the other eye. And we're going to go up and come down. So now that we have the eye area in, let's come in here and we're going to draw another oval. So right in this area, a little bit closer towards the center, and here as well. And then I'm going to come in here with a circle for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right above. And then let's give Frosty his big smile. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to give myself a little curve right next to the eyes. And on this side, I'll go this way, another curve. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect right underneath the nose. And go all the way back up. Big smile. And then let's add a little tighter curve right here at the bottom towards the center. And then we can add his pipe. So let's come out right in this corner right here. And I'm just going to tentatively just draw these two angle lines coming out. So it's a little bit thinner here and it's getting a little bit wider as we come out. But I won't put the pipe in yet until we draw the face. So from there, let's go ahead and we're going to start the face. So I'm just imagining this big oval for the head. So to make it a little bit easier, I will come say about right here. I'll just give myself a point and I'm going to draw a curve back to this side. So right here and here, right over the two little curves over the eye. I'm just going to draw a big curve right over. So about right there. And then let's go ahead using this and curve around for our big Frosty the Snowman head. And just imagine this being overlapped. We're going to come in. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and finish his hat. So let's come back to this area right here. We're going to go up and up on both sides. So now that we're pretty even, we're going to round this corner off right here and then just bring it right back down. And do the same thing on the other side. So round this part off and connect. And then we're drawing his top hat, so let's come up right here, about in this area. I'm going to angle it in, and about right here. It's easier for my hand to come down this way, and then I'll just go ahead and connect with a curve at the top. Then from there, let's see here. We need to draw that flower he has. So I'm going to come into this area right here, draw a circle. And I'm just going to go all the way around and draw a bunch of petals. And one more. And then we need to add a band that goes across. So say about right here. And the band right there. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's round his head off a little bit more. Always come back in here. Just round it off a little bit more. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw his scarf. So I'm going to bring this curve right underneath his mouth and about right there, right underneath his mouth, I'm going to give it two little wobbles right here before I continue on to finish it off. Then from there, let's draw his scarf. So I'm going to come right here and wobble again. And same thing here, wobble. And this wobble right here is because there's that part that hangs over. So I'm going to use this draw two curves, and I'm going to bring it down and down. But I'll stop there because I need to finish this part first. So let's give him a nice thick scarf. We're going to go across and finish it off. There. Okay, so then now next part is his body. So we're going to come right here where the scarf is, and we're going to draw this big curve. Nice brown tummy. So we're starting to get to the bottom, and we're just going to finish this big curve up. Draw our snowman. So then about right there, I'm going to bring it in. Bring it in, and I'm going to skip a little bit space, and then about right here in the center, I'll just give myself a nice little curve right there. And this is where the legs are going to start. So right in the center, so about right here, we're going to go ahead with a curve and another curve for the other foot. Then let's come back, and then about right here, nice thick feet, we're going to curve out and connect. So same thing here, curve out, the foot, and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have this, now that we know how long the body is, let's go ahead and finish this scarf. So I'm just going to give it a little curve to give it some movement. And connect. And let's add a little bottom layer right here. And connect right there. And now for his hands. So, let's finish the pipe first. So now that we know about right in this area, this is long enough, and I'll just come about right here. And finish up his pipe. Do a little curve right here. And then for his hands, I thought it'd be nice to have him waving. So let's come about right in this area. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes out for a simple hand. Let's give it a thumb and 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and then just bring it right back in. And finish it off. There. And then for the other hand, he has to be holding his broom, right? So just like this side, we're going to come about right here. Just imagine his other hand is about right in this area. And I'm going to stop, and I'm going to draw a hand right here next to his body. So using this as my guide, I'm going to come and say about right here. And I'll wobble a curve, come in. Come in. So I just want to draw that shape right next to his side right here, following this. And then right here, we're going to bring this down a little bit more, and then curve around. So hopefully that looks like his hand is holding something, and then we're just going to go ahead and finish it off. And oops, I forgot. I shouldn't have finished it off because I need to draw the broom. So let's bring this little broom right here, the handle. It's going to come through. That's why it looked weird. Bring this through. Okay, so that's why I should have not drawn this all the way. But of course, if you're using a pencil, you can definitely do that and make it a little bit easier. I have to erase that little line. And then I'm going to continue this angle all the way down to his feet. To about right there, round it off. And same thing there. And so then now we have our handle. Let's go ahead and draw our broom. So just going to finish this part off. Add a little detail right there. And let's go up. And up. And for the top, give some little notches right here for the bristles and some details right here. Add a little band. Add some lines going through. For our broom. And then let's see, what else are we missing? I feel like we're missing something, right? And okay, let's add a heart, of course. I think that's about it. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Frosty the Snowman here turned out, and I helped you draw this fun and easy. When you're coloring this scarf right here, just add some bands of different colors. I didn't want to do that with the Sharpie because I didn't want to muddle it up. But that is pretty much it, and I really hope you love how it turned out and that you'll draw him this Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you